Some experiments were meant to change the world, others nearly destroyed it. Science has driven humanity forward for centuries, but not every experiment ended in success. In some cases, ambition outran caution, safety was ignored, or consequences were never fully understood. The results ranged from disasters and deaths to long-term damage we're still dealing with today. These are 10 experiments that didn't just fail, they went horribly wrong. Number 10, the Guillemin core experiments. During the Manhattan Project, scientists experimented with a plutonium core nicknamed the Demon Core. Small mistakes during criticality tests caused deadly radiation bursts. 2 physicists died from radiation poisoning after accidental exposure. The core itself was later used in an atomic bomb. It became a chilling reminder that even tiny errors in nuclear research can be fatal. Number 9, the Stanford Prison Experiment. What began as a psychological study quickly spiraled into abuse and emotional trauma. Volunteers assigned as guards became cruel, while prisoners suffered mental breakdowns. The experiment was shut down early, but its impact reshaped ethics in psychology forever. It showed how easily normal people can adopt dangerous behaviors under authority. Number 8, Unit 731's Human Experiments. In World War II, Japan's Unit 731 conducted secret biological experiments on prisoners. Victims were exposed to diseases, extreme temperatures, and brutal procedures, often without anesthesia. The scale of suffering was enormous, and many results were hidden for decades. It remains one of the darkest chapters in scientific history. Number 7, the Chernobyl safety test. Chernobyl wasn't caused by war. It was caused by a test. Engineers attempted an experiment during a reactor shutdown, ignoring safety protocols. The result was a catastrophic explosion that released massive radiation across Europe. Entire cities were abandoned, and the effects are still felt today. Number 6, the Tuskegee syphilis study. For 40 years, doctors observed hundreds of men with syphilis and deliberately withheld treatment, even after a cure existed. The goal was to study the disease's progression. The experiment destroyed trust in medical institutions and led to major reforms in research ethics. Number 5, the Philadelphia experiment, alleged. According to legend, the U.S. Navy attempted to make a warship invisible using electromagnetic fields. Stories claim sailors became disoriented, insane, or even fused into the ship itself. While officially denied, the experiment became one of history's most infamous scientific myths, blurring the line between fact and fear. Number 4, the Soviet radioactive orphanages. During the Cold War, radioactive substances were secretly tested on children in some Soviet institutions. The long-term effects included cancer, deformities, and shortened lifespans. Much of the documentation was classified, and many victims never received acknowledgement or compensation. Number 3, the MK-Ultra mind control program. The CIA secretly tested drugs like LSD on civilians, soldiers, and prisoners, often without consent. The goal was mind control and interrogation techniques. Subjects suffered psychological damage, memory loss, and breakdowns. The program was later exposed, shocking the world and fueling decades of conspiracy theories. Number 2, the Castle Bravo nuclear test. In 1954, the U.S. detonated its most powerful hydrogen bomb, far stronger than expected. Fallout spread across Pacific Islands, poisoning residents and soldiers. The explosion forced evacuations and caused long-term health crises. It proved that even experts can dangerously miscalculate nuclear power. Number 1, the creation of chemical weapons. Some experiments don't go wrong immediately, they go wrong forever. Early chemical warfare research created weapons like mustard gas and nerve agents. Though initially considered scientific breakthroughs, they caused unimaginable suffering. Even today, the legacy of these experiments haunts global politics and ethics. Science can push humanity forward or drag it into darkness, These experiments remind us that knowledge without ethics can be catastrophic. Which experiment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more mind-bending stories every week.